how to create a stunning Shopify landing page like this, and this in just 3 minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, and the best part, anyone can do this completely for free. To get started, in your Shopify dashboard, go to the search bar and type in Beae, then install the app to your store. Go to Manage Page, hit Add New Page, and since we are creating a landing page, in this step, select Landing and hit Create Page. A window will appear. This is the Beae template library, where you can choose a pre-built template for your page and customize it to fit your needs in minutes. Hit Preview Template to preview it in full screen. Now hit Use this template at the top right corner. Here, you can customize absolutely everything. Change images like this. Simply select the image, hit Change, and choose the image you want. The Design tab is where you can customize the styling of an element. I'll add a shape for this image, and I'll do the same for other images on the page. Customize buttons and text with just a few clicks. Want to remove a section? Simply select the section on the screen. Then on the right side panel, hit Delete Block. If you want to delete an element or a group, the process is the same. Once you're done customizing, go to the top right corner and hit Save. Give your page a name. Boost your SEO by hitting the SEO Meta tab, adding a meta description and feature image. After that, hit Save and don't forget to hit Publish. To see your page live, in your Shopify dashboard, go to Online Store, Pages, and you'll see the page you just created right here. Simply hit View Page, and that's how you create a high-converting landing page in just 3 minutes using Beae Page Builder. For more tutorials and Shopify insights, hit the like and subscribe button so you get notified when we drop a new video. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.